Hey guys, thanks for stopping back by the channel. In today's video, of course, by the title, you already know what we're going to do. We're going to put this 8-inch tip on the new exhaust I just installed on the truck. So the exhaust has been on the truck for about, roughly, give or take, almost a week now. And I absolutely love it, bro. I love how quiet it is compared to the stack. The stack was just too loud for me, but here we are again. Now it's too quiet. So I need to find that little bit of middle ground where it's not too loud but also not too quiet. So right now we're trying all the portages. So I think this 8-inch tip will definitely put it right where I want it to be. I've had an 8-inch tip before on a 24 valve and it sounded amazing. Like, it's actually pretty crazy. The first black truck that I kind of started recording videos with, it had one and oh my god, that thing was crazy loud, but not too loud. You see what I'm saying? There's like that middle room about the stacks and the turbo back exhaust that you kind of just want to play around with and figure out what you like. Definitely, I liked the stack for a while, but the stack after a while became too loud for me, and it was, oh, damn, it was annoying. I swear to God, bro, I was tired of that thing towards the end. Do I miss it? Yeah, I really do. It was a head turner, not gonna lie, because not that many people around here run stacks, especially a miter cut diamond stack. So it was always like an attention getter, and I loved it. I really did. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put this on here. Here it is, by the way. Pretty fucking big. I mean, if you don't want it, it's like a tip. You put it on your fucking hat. It's like a fucking like a fucking wizard hat or something. But I think it's pretty sweet. You feel me? Like, look at that. Like, damn, boy, that thing fat. I was thinking about going 10, but I feel like 10 was a little bit too much. I really didn't know if I wanted that, but yeah, let me just see if I can get a good angle here for the thumbnail of this video. And I'm gonna go ahead and get my hands down here. Bro, it's gonna be perfect right here. Look at that thumbnail. God damn, I am beautiful. Alright, guys. So now I'm gonna try to fit it up and see where I want it, because I don't want it sticking out too far. I know that one of them dumbasses, but I don't want it too far in. I don't think I'm gonna be able to do an axle dump like I wanted to right now because of the hanger situation up under there. The hanger's just not. Fucking done, my guy. Now, I really don't know if I want to do the hanger situation. Oh, fuck. Restart. I have hangers up under there. Some of the stuff's missing that I would need to get that hanger done. Damn, this bed is dirty, bro. Good thing I'm wearing all black today. I still haven't washed the truck since the stack's out. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get everything started. Thank you guys for stopping by, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video. I'm gonna get a time lapse. I'm gonna get us a start up. I'm gonna get all this great stuff for you, and it's gonna be. Okay guys, so I think this right here looks pretty fucking sweet. Got it sticking out about that far. That looks pretty damn sweet. Who the fuck is honking at me? Damn, we better get the fuck out of the car. Look at that, bro. Yeah, that's what we want. We want that thing sticking out. Looks pretty sweet, but yeah, we definitely gonna cut that shit because I want it like at least like flush with like the bed. I gotta cut like, oh fuck, like probably 8 inches off. Yeah, 8 inches off, and it'd be good to go. Cool. close. We're gonna do a little bit of a walk around, see what we got going on here. I feel like it fits pretty flush. It looks pretty nice. Sheesh. Yeah, go ahead and get like a little bit farther away for you. Yeah, she's sitting there nice. Pete, my knees popping. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and close out the video. I just want to say thank you guys for hanging out with me for a few minutes of your time. That's the video. I'm going to wrap it up here. Not really much to say to it. It's pretty easy. You just kind of cut it, figure out where you want it to be at, and then boom, you cut it, get it ready, prep it, put it on, tighten it down, and voila, you're good to go. If you guys want to check it out, I'm gonna leave the link down. I'm gonna pin it in a comment. It's gonna send you over to the Amazon link if you want to check it out. For like 50-60 bucks, what I think it's like around there, like 50 bucks. I think it's pretty much worth it. You can also, trust me bro, you can buy some expensive ass tips. Like there's a couple of people on Instagram that sell them. God, they are expensive, but they look really cool too. I mean, it's a lot cooler than this. I was thinking about taking and cutting up the stack over there and, you know, cutting it down to like 15-16 inches here and then running that. That'd be pretty cool. But then again, I was like, I don't really feel like trying to cut those angles because I'd probably mess it up, to be honest with you. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys have a great day. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, love or hate, please leave them down below for me. And I look to catch you guys next time.